Hello mga kalalabs ni MGB. So karon naata karon diri sa lake sa lago sa Como. So lake diri sa Como, and then yeah, kuyog nga akong bibi natulog. So ako lang i-share sa inyo mga kalalabs ang akong gibuhat karon nga adlaw. So ang atong language karon, it's a Cebuano language. So ganina long day because it's a beautiful day. There is a sun, so naiinit siya mga kalalab. So ang akong baby need siya o fresh air, so kay makadisturb siya sa akong bana nga nag-work at home. So my husband working at home and my baby gonna be disturbing at home. So it's a long day we going out with my baby, and it's a beautiful day. It's a sunny day. So today is this morning I went to playground at the park where is the baby for the playground in the outdoor, and then we do swing there because he loves to swing, and then he enjoying also walking and running and hitting the leaves. It's autumn season right now, so he's enjoying to going out. And then after that we go eating in the bar with my baby, and he loves brioche so much, and I love also brioche and cappuccino, and then we're going back home because kinanglan ako muli kay kayo na si mama. So as a mom, we need to quality time with my baby. It's a quality time and spend time and bonding time, whatever. So we go back home for pee. And then I tried to cook for lunch, but my baby it's moody, so he didn't like to eat lunch at home. So we're going out again. We're going out for lunch, but our lunch is going to outside, which is going to Como Center. In Italiano, Como Centro. So Como Center. So I found a restaurant which is it's a very delicious food. But I ordered a pasta for my baby, and also for me is a rice, what we call that, it's a seafood rice. So in Italiano it's risotto al mare. So we ate there at the restaurant, me and my baby, and my husband at home because he's working at home, and I don't want to disturb also my husband, and my baby is always disturbing, so we need to go out. So we come there in Como Center, and he's walking again in the piazza. Piazza means where is the what we call that? Where is the church? That it's a big area where you can walk and going out because it's a safe. Also, there is no car, so it's about playground. Also can walk also for the baby. And yeah, and now we are here in Como Lago, which is a public villa here, Villa Olmo. The name is Villa Olmo, and now I'm here in Villa Olmo. Time check right now, it's already 4 o'clock. I think it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon now. And then my baby is sleeping, so I got relaxing, and I got relaxing the view here to watching the lake. And yeah, I take a picture and do video to having a content. As a content creator, we need to find a video or what the next video I will find. So my phone is empty battery, but I got my extra power bank, and I have my selfie stick, and I have my remote for my selfie stick to take a video and picture. So I have it's like I'm a Girl Scout. Everything is ready. Everything I need is here. So my phone is empty battery, but it's charging right now. As you can see, I'm charging here while I'm taking a video here. And yeah, it's 4 o'clock, and when my baby awake, we're going back home because it's getting cold also here. And there need 2 jacket here, sweatshirt and jacket, because it's getting cold and it's autumn season. And my watch is empty battery. Nga. I forgot to charge, so I don't know how many steps I am. So I walk a lot, so I don't know. I think I will be in the 10,000 steps. So this whole day I'm here outside with my baby. together with the baby stroller. I'm pushing the baby stroller. So yeah, and I'm relaxing here. I have everything I need for my baby. I have it. I have his food, I have his water, I have his snack in the morning and also in the afternoon. So everything I have here. So be ready. As a mom, sure we need to be ready. But of course my baby also eating a milk from me, and I breastfeed my baby. Now he slept very well. It's almost 1 hour. He fell asleep and he did not wake. So it's good. I'm enjoying here. So that's my day today. It's a busy day as a mom she. So mommy. As a mama in Italiano, mama means 2M. So in Cebuano, mama is only 1M. So in Italiano, 2M. So Emi in Italiano. So yeah, that's my day, and this is my new content upcoming here. And yeah, see you on my next video where I'm travel right now. I'm gonna be traveling soon with my family. And of course, send greetings to all my beloved friends and co-workers, of course, and send greetings to my beloved brothers there, my followers, and of course my beloved Beeps friends here who will keep updating my video on my next vlog of MG Beeps. So see you on my next video. I'm gonna show you all around over the world that I'm gonna go in travel, but I'm gonna be speak English, Cebuano, Italiano. Okay, see you, bye bye, see you.